Your head is huge. What are you doing? My besties. Jisoo makeup. Tier of foundation. I also have this mini one, and this one is full coverage. This one is more sheer. Wait, you never used that before? First time using it? We're gonna talk about 7 things you're not responsible for. This side is not very flattering for me.
Every side is flattering for me.
You're not responsible for other people's happiness.
Should I make you mad? Where's my favorite brush?
I've washed all of them. They're so disgusting. All right, so number 2.
Let them be confused.
You're not responsible for making other people understand your choices.
What do you usually do after blush?
Contour. I'm literally doing contour. Do you not see? This is a concealer pencil. I used it recently when I have all these blemish that I had to cover. And it disappears. Always put this in your purse. You're not responsible for managing other people's emotions. Let them feel how they feel.
I kind of slayed.
Did you steal my blending brush?
Probably.
You're not responsible for proving your worth to people who don't see it.
See it. Let them underestimate you.
This is like literally the best eyeliner ever.
On earth?
You're not responsible for meeting other people's expectations. Let them be disappointed.
You're not responsible for rescuing people from their problems.
Rescuing. And you're not responsible for managing everyone and everything around you.
Let them be.
So the lessons you learned today is what? Stop wasting your time and energy on things that you cannot control and focus on one thing, and that is you. It's off now. That's pretty. Good job. So what do you guys think?
Bye, besties. Jesus walking out of the house.
Bye.